Binky Bright! Hi, Bright Explorers! It's me, Binky Bright. Are you ready to learn colors with me?
Let's look around. Where are the colors hiding? Look!
A red butterfly! Wow! Can you say red? Great job! Let's find another color. Look, a bluebird. Say blue. Yay! You're so smart! Oh, what's this? Can you say yellow? Great job!
Look, look what's flying by. Red wings flutter in the sky. It's a butterfly, what a sight. Red is bold and shining bright. Red, blue, yellow too. Colors are fun for me and you. Say it loud and smile wide. Let's learn together side by side. Up so high above the tree, a bluebird sings so happily. Blue like jeans and skies above. Blue's a color we all love. Red, blue, yellow too. Colors are fun for me and you. Say it loud and smile wide. Let's learn together side by side. Down below a flower grows, yellow petals on its nose. Yellow like the morning sun, bright and happy, so much fun. Red, blue, yellow too. I had so much fun with you. You're so bright, hooray, hooray. Let's shine again another day.
Wow! We found red, blue, and yellow. Thanks for learning with me. See you next time.